just select a 04. Then you may select a VLAN number. VLAN number na we already created 20 lab 1. Okay, we need to add this name. This is the 20th. This LAN address is LAN name is lab 1. I'm going to choose here. Then I'm going to choose another fast Ethernet 05. 05 also we need to add with the LAN lab 1. It means 20 lab 1. Then we go for the 06 last PC. Then you may add with the LAN lab 1 of 20th LAN. Okay, so now we are configure those things as well as these things. So as per our requirements, we are configured this switch as well as step 4. We found the router to switch. So this is configured with respect to the access to trunk, and then we will find out all the PC 3, 4, 5 are connected to the PC. What is the number here? We already found this number as FA00506. Then according to this we were connected all those things. Now we are going to do some VLAN router configuration. So in that we are going to put some VLAN configuration here. So here I mentioned some of the commands which was useful to encapsulate the data to the particular VLAN. Once we configure this VLAN, the data will be stored and then sent to the two different systems. So we are going to configure this router. So just click it, then you go for a client. In that client we have some option here. We need to configure the router alone. We just go for the router. Want to go for the router, you go for the exit command, automatically the router will came. Then now we are going to configure that trunk. So trunk T terminal. So the data will be look like that. It comes under the configure. Now we are going to put some commands like we already put this command. This is the initiate fast Ethernet 0/0 in the upstage. So here we are going to check which Ethernet is used here. You just scroll those system. Here we had one interface, this one interface gigabit Ethernet interface here. So this is the router which was initiated. Then other Ethernet as this one interface Ethernet gigabit Ethernet is 0/1. We need to upstage to these two system. Why? Because why I'm saying that once if we go for the any switch configuration, then router configuration, so in that we have a gigabit Ethernet 0101. We need to upload or upstage with the 2 gigabit Ethernet. In our case we won't use a 0/0, but in that case we used here. So we need to upgrade this one 0/0. For this concern we go for the upgrade process. Here I'm going to do the client process. Then I'm going to place the interface 0/0.1 upstage. So here it is updated. So some people will get some error as per this one. Okay, this is for fast Ethernet, this is for gigabit Ethernet. While using fast Ethernet, this is the command is okay. Here we are used gigabit Ethernet, this command interface. So this one, okay. Now we are going to put some IP addressing. So it means encapsulation of the 20th LAN. Here I'm going to put encapsulation